In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Chrome extensions on Android. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Google Chrome on Android does not natively support extensions the way Chrome does on a desktop computer. So if you've been looking through the mobile Chrome app and wondering why you can't install add-ons there, that's completely normal. The good news is that there's a simple workaround that lets you use many Chrome extensions on your Android device. To do this, start by downloading Kiwi Browser from the Google Play Store, then open it once the installation is complete. Kiwi Browser is based on Chromium, so it looks and feels very similar to Chrome, which makes the transition easy if you're already familiar with Google's browser. Once Kiwi Browser is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu where you'll find extra settings and tools. From that list, select Extensions. This is the section that allows you to manage browser add-ons just like you would on a desktop browser. After that, tap the option labeled Plus from Store, or go directly to the Chrome Web Store if it opens in your browser another way. This takes you to the extension marketplace where you can browse and install compatible tools. If the page appears a little crowded on mobile, that's normal since the Chrome Web Store is primarily designed for desktop use. Next, search for the extension you want to install. Use the search bar to type the name of the extension or a keyword related to what you need. For example, you might look for an ad blocker, a password manager, or a productivity tool. As you search, it's a good idea to double-check the extension name and publisher so you install the correct one. When you find the extension you want, tap Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear, and you'll need to tap OK to approve the installation. Give it a moment to download and install. Once that's done, the extension should appear in your Kiwi Browser extensions list where you can enable it, disable it, or manage its settings if needed. That's all it takes. Even though Chrome itself doesn't support extensions on Android, Kiwi Browser makes it possible to access much of the same functionality on mobile. If an extension doesn't work perfectly, keep in mind that some desktop extensions may have limited compatibility on phones, but for many popular tools, this method works very well.